Okay. See here. What do you mean by BODMAS? Do you know, understand? Have you heard about BODMAS earlier?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I did.
Yes, read what is the BODMAS?
Sir, board marks are marked, for example, first is bracket and second is off, then division and multiplication, addition and subtraction. It was used in some problems, like problems,
Order, how to solve it.
how to solve it, orders.
Yes, what is the, we need to understand each and every word. Okay.
Yes,
And if you will understand the word clearly now, then our concept will be clear. First, BODMAS
yes,
is the brackets. Okay, B. First B is brackets. Then second O means orders. Then divisions in the sequence. Then multiplication. Then addition, and then subtraction. Okay. And what is
yes, sir.
meaning of bracket? Then the first word. Here it is given the bracket. First one, every word is given here. Okay. And what is meaning of bracket and how it is there. Okay, now it will always inside the bracket, now innermost, always start. There are three types of bracket generally. Have you heard? Do you know three types of bracket?
Yes, sir.
First is known as, this one is known as a small bracket. Okay.
Sir, medium
Then
bracket.
yes, medium bracket. This is known as the medium bracket. Okay. And then this is the big bracket. Okay. And we should always consider the inner side. First now, whichever the bracket is among the inner side now, first we should resolve that one. Then we'll go to the outer side.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. The first one is the bracket. Then second is the orders. Orders will become the square, okay, or a square root, mostly whatever the common exponent, okay, power, something of power. Suppose 2 is to power 3. What is meaning of
Yes,
2
sir.
is to power 3? Means
Sir,
2 is multiplied by 3 times.
yes, sir, the cube of 2.
Yes. Okay, otherwise a square. This will comes under the orders.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next come to the D for division. Division, you know what is the sign of division? This is the sign
Yes,
of
sir.
division.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then comes to the multiplication. Do you know what is the sign of multiplication?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the sign of
Yes, sir.
multiplication. And always
Yes, sir.
consider in that also division, we should always consider from left to right. Order is very, very important. Sequence, order means the sequence. That's why we are studying the BODMAS.
Yes,
In
sir.
BODMAS, if there is a complex problem, we should always consider the sequence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in each and every step, if we will follow the correct sequence, then our solution will be correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then always consider not only multiplication sign, also consider from left to right. Here also from
Yes,
left
sir.
to right. Then again power also you should consider. And here also in the bracket, always consider with the inner part first. Okay. And then we'll consider the outer part.
Yes, sir.
And next we'll come to the addition. This is the sign of the addition, and also consider from left to right. Means that this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay. This is the left side and this is the right side. Getting the result?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then this is the last one is the subtraction. At last one is subtraction, and that is also from left to right.
Yes, sir.
This one, the subtraction is only this sign is subtraction. Okay. And this is the division.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. And that will also come from left to right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This only you have to consider. Then you can just see here, see the examples here. Which is the first method?
Yes,
Where we'll take the first step? We have to consider only the steps.
Yes, sir. First we will do the brackets. So, sir,
Yes.
first we will do 8 minus 5.
Yes. Now then 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
then we'll do the here plus sign or division sign. Multiplication. Then it is a multiplication. Second one, then before plus it will be multiplication. Then we'll do the multiplication second step. And then a last
sir.
step it will be the addition step.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. Here more example. Here also you will also see the same. What is the first step? Where will you apply?
If, so first
What
we
is the
will
first?
multiply this. So first
Yes,
we
first.
will do multiply.
Yes. First will multiplication. That's why it is 6. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
then we'll do the addition or subtraction. Addition and then subtraction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
first addition
Yes,
and then subtraction.
yes, sir.
Okay, give me here. Help me to understand this one.
Yes, sir. First we will do the brackets 12 plus 3.
Yes,
So 15 multiplied 2 minus 4. Then 15 to the 30 and minus 4 equals to 26.
26. Okay, correct. Okay, go better here. Just kindly read loudly so that your voice will also clear.
Yes, sir. So problem 1. Ravi has 5 boxes. Each box has 6 pencils. He gave 8 pencils to his friend. How many pencils does he have now? So, sir, first we will do multiplying to find the
Yes,
total pencils to 30. And sir,
yes,
and it's time to subtract 30 minus 8 because Ravi gave the 8 pencils to his friend.
yes. Then how many pencil is left with him? It is
So
22.
22 pencils is left.
Yes. Second problem.
The second problem. A basket has 4 packets. Each packet contains 3 chocolates. If you eat 2 chocolates from the total, how many chocolates were left? So
Yes,
first we will, sir, first we will, for example, for 12, and then we subtract 2 chocolates. So sir, answer is 10 because
yes,
we will eat 2 chocolates from the basket.
yes. Yes. Okay. See, last operation is the mixed operation. Just tell me.
Yes, sir. So Priya had rupees 10. She bought 3 pens for 15 each and 2 notebooks for 20 each. How many does she have left? So sir, first we multiply. So first we multiply both. For example, 3 pens 50 rupees equals to 45
Hmm.
and 2 books equals to 20, so equals to 40. So sir, we for and then we add the 40 plus 45, that is equals to 85, and then we will subtract from total money. That's
Yes.
the value of the 45 plus 85. So sir, answer is 50 rupees is left.
Okay. You are getting a. You just don't worry about the long problem. You have to go step by step. Okay. After this class, you have to solve this one on the paper, and then you have to send a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. This chapter I think will be clear.